Hi guys. Okay, so I actually came out to drop my car off because I have some issues with my brake. So I have to go fix that, and some issues with terminal. Like I need to fix. I think my positive terminal is not good or something. The battery terminal, so it needs to be replaced. So I have to drop it off, and probably they will um, drop me home because if it's going to take a long time for the car to get done or to get diagnostics done. So I came out for that, but before that I thought I'll run few errands if at all I have to leave my car there. So I came to Target to get some things, and then I thought let me check Ross. I've not gone to Ross like during this COVID time, right? It's opened up now again, but I haven't. I've gone to TJ Maxx. I went the other day, but I didn't go to Ross. I'm kind of scared because I see a lot of people in Ross. But I saw online that a lot of people have been putting YouTube videos like crazy low prices in Ross. So I was like, okay, let me just check once. So before I drop off my car, I thought I'll do that. So I'm actually outside Ross right now. Can you see that? Okay, there is the Ross store right there. So I'm gonna go check, see if they have what they have. Like I'm not going to be there for a long time. I'll just come out quickly, I guess. So let's go in. Look at that. Sam Edelman is like $8.99. Sam Edelman shoe. It's not my size. There's not a whole lot of inventory though. Okay, that looks great. This is $11.99. So cute. How much is it? $8.49. Cute. Cute sandals for $8.49. That's a good price. Actually found a small one, size small in this. I like that it's not full lace, like I like this kind of thing. And this looks like a nice top. It's a sweater from some brand called Calligraphy, and it has a different kind of sleeve. Look at that. So I don't know how Look on. Hi guys, I'm at Ross. Cute bag, but very heavy. Perfect length.